Hello friends, and welcome back to another unboxing here in Onesixtyfourland. Today we do not have DCP by First Gear, but it's just a mixed box of GreenLight that I got from 3000 Toys, just for things that to fill some gaps in the collection and replace some green machines with the regular one. So without further ado, got my trusty box cutter. Let's get started. Just kidding. Toys is pretty good with packing. As you can see, there's plenty of packing peanuts in there, which is yeah. Okay, so first off, we have the 1995 Ford Escort RS Cosworth. The hobby editions are coming in white and red, and it looks like the front wheel on this has a bit of brake dust that needs to be cleaned off. So great. All right, they're numbered 384 for this one. I'm not sure how many total they make. The hobby exclusive seems just to be where GreenLight puts their cars that don't quite fit into the 27 series that they offer. Cool. All right, next up, another hobby exclusive here. This is the 94 Ford F-150. It's a Bigfoot cruiser. I got this for two reasons, well, three reasons. It's rad. Okay, it's got this step, the side step here. It's got the little bed. Wish I knew what this thing was called. Little bed extender, or I don't know. And then up top on the cab, cool thing going on. So it's very period correct here. So pretty neat. Like the wheels, and great color. Oh, looks like the back tire is a little wonky on this, if you can see it there. Okay, GreenLight QC, 2 for 2. All right, next up, we have a hobby exclusive Hot Pursuit. This is the all-new Whitestown Police. It's 2022 Tahoe police pursuit vehicle there, the PPV. And this looks pretty well detailed here. I like when they put the license plate on the back. It's got the push bar in the front. It's got the light bar on top. That's sharp. And it looks like there's not many QC hiccups here. Number 640 on the bottom there. Cool. Okay, here we go. We got the red one as well as the white one, which we got color-coded packaging. Doesn't matter to me. I'm going to open them. Yeah, so you can see how the front wheel should be. Other than that, looks pretty good. 431. Okay, what else? Okay, we have the Great Outdoors 2022 Explorer Limited. Now, I bought this for one reason, because I know it's going to have holes in the roof because of the camping accessories, but it's just a nice looking truck. It's green. It's a limited, so it's got this fancy grill on the front there. But unfortunately, it does have holes on the roof. If you can kind of see them, they're right back here to fit that roof tent there. No picture of it popped up, but that's okay. It's a sharp looking truck here. What else we got? Oh, that's right. I got 2 of these. Oh wait, hold on. No, I didn't. This is the 2021, the Tahoe PPV, but this is the show car. So It's very, very similar to this, but it's different. Cool. I like it. Let's see, what do we got here? So on the back window, we got code 3, we got enforcer, looks like off-site decals, on-site decals. So pretty neat there. So it's very similar to that the other one. Light bar is the same. Push bar up front's very similar. Obviously the wheels. And it looks pretty good as far as QC. Oh, and there's no side steps, which is great. There's none on this one either, because they just break off. Cool, I like that. Okay, what else we got? Ooh, hobby exclusive Jeep Gladiator, the J10 Golden Eagle Tribute. This is cool. It's got the Golden Eagle on the hood, gold wheels, monster. It's got some pretty badass tires there. Looks like it's number maybe 625. I don't really care. Cool. I like it. I really like this Gladiator casting. It appears to be a bit narrow, but if you've ever been behind a Gladiator before on the road, it is actually relatively narrow considering how long it is. So cool. All right, looks like got one more here. What else did I get? Oh, that's right. I got a 64 Impala Gypsy Rose tribute here. This is the replacement. I pulled a green machine when I got a sealed case of California lowriders there. So this is pretty cool here. It's got a nice metallic paint. I don't know if you can see it in the video here. Tires look good. GreenLight did a great job with this 63, 64 casting here. I don't think they did a 62. I think that would require the A-pillar to be a little different. Okay, anyway, let's see. I think that's it. So speaking of California lowriders, this could be an unboxing within an unboxing. Because I have the Lowrider Series 2, and it's sealed. But I'm gonna end this video and start a new one. All right, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for this unboxing next.